Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's start off with some company news. A member of the NCB Financial Group's board of directors has resigned from the board of a number of the companies associated with the group. Now, Professor Alvin Wint has resigned from the boards of National Commercial Bank NCB Jamaica, NCB Capital Markets, NCB Insurance Agency and Fund Managers, as well as NCB Cayman. This was effective December 31. Now, he's being replaced on the NCB Commercial, that's the National Commercial Bank Jamaica Board, by retired banker Mr. Gary W. Brown. Now, the appointment took effect January 1, 2024. Mr. Wint has also stepped down from the boards of NCB Capital Markets, Cayman, and NCB Trust Company, Cayman. Now, the NCB Financial Group says his resignation is unrelated to any disagreement regarding financial statement disclosures, accounting principles or practices, or any matter impacting the audit committees which Professor Wint chairs. Now, the group also says it has nothing to do with his ability to execute his functions delegated by the board. Now, last May, Professor Wint acted as interim chairman of the NCB Financial Group when Michael Lee Chin took a leave of absence. He has served the various NCB boards for over 20 years. Professor Wint will also not go up for re-election to the board of the NCB Financial Group at the next annual general meeting set for February. Professor Wint is due to retire at the upcoming AGM. Now, Mr. Brown is expected to receive additional board appointments, and the group says a request has been made for him to be elected as a director of the NCB Financial Group at the AGM. Now, the news comes, of course, after months of leadership changes at the NCB Financial Group, including the booting of the company's CEO and CFO. Businesses are being urged to invest in marketing in a bid to boost sales and overall revenue. Director of Market Engagement at LinkedIn's B2B Institute, Ty Heath, says a company's marketing spend must take an integrated approach.
Marketers are in the memory business. If you are remembered, then you're the brand that's bought. So when you think about the science of brand, there are a couple things to think of. One is your creative, having distinctive assets. That's logos, that's the color, that's the sounds, all the things that are associated that help people remember who you are and what you stand for. So when you show up. The other thing is reach. So the aspect of it's media, it's the getting attention, it's people seeing your content in the first place. It's like the tree falls in the forest and no one's there. Does it really fall? People need to see that.
Now, the B2B Institute is LinkedIn's think tank that researches new approaches to business growth. Now, Ms. Heath says a strong brand will also improve expansion prospects.
Able to hire because people want to work for companies they know, love, and trust. You can sell more effectively because people recognize your brand before you step into the room. And also from a marketing standpoint, you're going to be more successful and effective. So that hiring, marketing, and selling is always better when you have a strong brand.
Let's head to the markets now. The first trading session for 2024 closed with the US dollar selling for an average $155.23. $117.39 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is going for $193.56, while the euro is selling for $168.23. And the first trading session for this year ended with the main market up by 2,125 points, while the junior market lost 7 points. Among the 52 winners were Blue Power Group, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Guardian Holdings, GWest Corporation, and Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares. The 49 losers included our parent company, Radio Jamaica, Spurtree Spices Jamaica, Berger Paints Jamaica, First Rock Real Estate Investment Jamaican dollar shares, and Kingston Properties. 15 stocks closed the session trading firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.